Hello everyone, and in this video I'll be showing you how to download NVIDIA Broadcast App on your computer. So the first thing, you're going to want to make sure you have a NVIDIA GeForce RTX. You're going to want to make sure you have a RTX graphics card in your computer, whether it be a laptop, a desktop, or whatever. You just want to make sure you have that RTX inside your computer. If not, it's not going to work. But I believe there's some alternate softwares which I don't know, but it's basically a good AI software. So the first thing you want to do is go to your browser, and after choose your profile, whatever, and type in NVIDIA Broadcast App. Hit enter, and you're going to want to click the second link right here. The first link, sorry, you can click the first link or the second one, either one. So right away you're gonna see download now, and that's what you're gonna want to do. So hit download. It's gonna take a couple seconds depending on your internet speed. So right away it's done on my computer. I hit open, you hit yes. It's now installing pretty quick, very quick to be honest. And installer cannot be continue. So I'm guessing you have to update your driver real quick. So please install the driver and try again. So I'll be right back, guys. I'll try to update the driver and be right back with you guys. Alright guys, so after you get that message, guys, you're gonna want to go to your start menu and type in NVIDIA Experience. Click on the app right there, wait for it to open real quick, and what you want to gonna do is when it open, you're gonna actually want to install the latest version. So you might get this message right here, and what you want to do is exit out of that installation that you are trying to do with the broadcast app and open it again. So now it's preparing to install, downloading, updating, and all those stuff. So it might take a while to update the NVIDIA Experience app depending on your computer, but just wait it out, guys. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are gonna get that error message. That's why I'm showing you guys how to fix it real quick. So when that happened, now it's open, right? So now you go to drivers and check for updates, and you can also change your driver preference. You can use studio or game ready. I'm gonna go with game ready, and just gonna hit download, and it's gonna take a while to update, so just give it some time to download that latest driver. Alright, so now you're gonna want to click on the Express installation. That should give you everything you want. Yes. And now it's preparing to install. So as I said, just wait it out. It might take some time, but it's definitely gonna make you be able to use this broadcast software, which is really nice. So now you have to restart your PC, and that's what I'm gonna do now. So restarting. As I said, depending on your PC, it might take some time to restart. Some PCs restart faster than some, but I believe mine should restart pretty quickly. So just wait it out, guys. Also, give me a thumbs up on this video because I'm really showing you guys the process step by step. So definitely give me a thumbs up. I'll probably have some time lapse and some hyperlapse or whatever you call it. to speed up the process. So now, I love that starting of my game, my PC. So now you just have to wait it out, guys. Alright guys, so after everything is installed, you restart the PC, you start back your PC, and you're gonna want to find that file that you download earlier, which is the NVIDIA Broadcast App. So it should be in your download folder unless you change it, but here it is right there on the top. Double click it, hit yes. Hopefully that update fixed the problem, because I'm now on the latest everything, so it should fix it, and I believe it did. Yep, it did. So install the Express, and it's gonna take some time again. So as I said, you just have to be patient, but trust me, this software is definitely worth it. I'll get into more details real quick and show you what the difference is. Guys, so installing, blah blah blah. So now it's finished, nice and easy. Hit close. It should open automatically, and just wait it out. So I'm gonna get into what this app does as soon as it opens. So as I said, this app is really underrated. I believe a lot of streamers should be using it. I don't know why streamers are not using it that much, but maybe it's because they have a good studio already. But this software is more for like if you don't have like the good studio, the good soundproof, or the good green screen. It does it all in AI technology. So as you can see, it is pretty much straightforward. So you're gonna want to select your audio device, which is the microphone array, and this is what is really powerful. So you have noise removal, and you might just say, oh, it's not gonna remove all the noise. Trust me, it removes every single noise. There can be a music, or there can be fans in your background, and it take out everything. It also takes out room echoes and all those stuff. I don't really use this, to be honest, the room echo, because it's in beta, as you can see, but the noise removal, it definitely works, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys real soon on how the difference is. So you can also do some noise removal in the speaker. I don't really use this that much, but it is pretty nice also. And it also has a camera version, which basically can act as a green screen. It can have like some background blurs and all those stuff. I don't really use that because I don't really show my face in my videos, but you guys can see, you guys can also check that out and play around with it. So what the camera feature does, it's also in beta also, but you can have a blurry background like you're using a high-end camera, or you can have it track your face, so your face will always in the center. You can also remove your background and add a different background in the background, if you guys get what I'm saying. But the one that I believe is most useful is the microphone, because it takes down your background noise. So I'm pretty sure my audio quality is trash throughout this video, but now I'm gonna plug in my mic and put it in the broadcast studio and show you guys the difference. This is the mic I'm using, guys. It's the Fine mic. I've been using it for the past couple of years. It does the job. It's not the best mic, but it does the job. So plug it in your USB, because it's a USB mic. So plug it in your USB port. Oops, not there. Oops, not there. Oops, oh, right there. So I plug in my microphone. As you guys can see, microphone is right there. So what you want to gonna do is go here, and you should see the USB PNP audio device. So click on it right there, and since I'm using OBS, I'm just going to show you guys the difference in OBS. So this is my voice currently, on OBS without adding the NVIDIA software, and I'm gonna add the NVIDIA software. And just take a look at this here, guys, where you see mic. Just take a look at how the audio is reacting even when I'm stop talking. Like, look, you see it's still moving. Now if I go to properties and change it to the NVIDIA Broadcast, just look at the difference. I'm gonna stop talk right now. You see, it goes right away, guys. So it is pretty nice, guys, trust me. Like, just listen to the voice difference. And if you want, you can add the echo remover. I don't know if that actually works. As I said, I don't really use it. I'm not a big fan of it, but let's try it real quick and see. Maybe it actually works, but because I don't have much echo, I doesn't really recognize it. But look, like when I stop talking, it goes right down. There's nothing coming through the mic or anything, even though before you heard the microphone before. So I'm gonna switch it back to the original microphone without the software on it. So default, okay, you can see you can still hear stuff in the mic. So that's the power of this software, guys. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section and all those fancy stuff, guys. Please comment down below if you have trouble. If this was really helpful to you guys, please give this video a thumbs up. But until then, guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace. I'm out.